Hello, welcome back to my vlog. Today also I start my vlog. So today my off day, my holiday. That's why today I wake up 6 o'clock p.m. Then now I do my work. What do you work? Like just normal, eat, cook, shower, then I lot of the take rest. Then now almost 9 o'clock, 40 minutes. Then my vlog, daily life, Saudi Arabia, how to survive, foreign employer as a coffee maker. So that's why holiday, what we do. So I want to explore this one today vlog. So this is place of my accommodation near. So I be ready, then I come out. This is my accommodation near. So now I go one of the near my accommodation coffee shop. There just I go around. There will be place. So this is real life Saudi Arabia foreign employee coffee maker daily life survive. What we sacrifice and what we get the reality. So now I'm going to cross the road. That's why I check before cross the road around the place. So I'm from Nepal. Right now, I live in as a foreign employee as a coffee maker job in Saudi Arabia. So this is my right now situation. Just I be ready, then I come out. Then now this is my way. I try to go fast because this is the cross the road. So now I am the be the fresh. Now I be the clean. Almost I cross the road, finish. So this is the real life. We have to face this situation. Before we, maybe you know, we look to continue my vlog. That light, I take the video. Also, I'm walking this around the way. Even this way, walking the daytime, we cannot joyful because this is sunset. Almost have the earth. So, the earth the map. This one is become like is natural. It's daytime. Without light, we cannot see the good scene. So before the daily I go duty, that time I have to walk in the fast path. Also sunset is the problem. That's why I walk in the fast path. But today I have a lot of the time. That's why I go slowly. Just like that. So if we have the weekend off day, that day we have the 1 week the wearing the clothes clean. Then before the 6th day we normally sleep at that time. We wake up at that time. But if we have the off day, that day we sleep more hours. And we sleep later, we wake up the later. So this is difference between foreign people than our country people. depend on this one if we live in our country or we live in the foreign country. If we have our country, we can take a lot of the enjoy with friends, with family. But now, look it to me. I have a lot of the time. I have off day, but nothing that special. Just like normal. Take the rest. Just try to go out near market, buy something. Just like that. So also me, I want to be something is fresh. That's why all the day I cannot live alone inside the room. That's why I try to come out. I visit some coffee shop and I stay there. I'll be fresh. I meet our country, the people. I talk to our country language. That's why I try to be daily life survive. So this is called the daily life survive. This is the Saudi Arabia. Maybe many people doesn't know in this situation. We face like that. Alaikum salam. Boys, good. Vlog. Vlog. YouTube.
What's your channel?
Sorry? Yeah, Rajesh Rai.
Right.
I'm beginning, not. I didn't have the more subscribers.
Oh, this is
Yeah. You know English? You know English?
a little bit.
Also. Just try to be the daily life, how we survive the foreign employee, just like that.
Yeah.
Because your country, you have, in your country,
Yeah.
You have-
How long
5 years almost.
Oh, 5 years.
Yeah. That's why I want to give the people advice, inspiration, how to survive the daily life.
Yeah.
Our country in Saudi Arabia, we cannot compare it with Nepal.
Bye. Oh, okay, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Divorce. So I got it in the park in the car. Some person to asking to me, from where, what are you doing? Just like that. She asking to me, just like, tell, this is the highway road. I want to cross the road, that one. Go that way. My duty goes way also that way. That's why I don't want to come that way. This way is very difficult. One of the person asking to me, where are you from? What do you vlog? So people think that is vlogger, they have to more popularity. But it depends on how long. After that you can make it more followers, more subscribers. I think for me that is the best time for cross the road. I got it. Across the road. So now Saudi Arabia is almost into the summer. Now is weather almost. Before I came outside, I checked 41 temperature hot. So I feel hot almost. So people doesn't know about Saudi Arabia. I think people just come, foreign employees just overgo, nothing have the memory, doesn't have to share what is the reality. That's why I want to explore on my this blog. Foreign employees, how they survive daily life. So I think now my camera is closing time because my vlog 10 minutes to 15 minutes. That's why I have to close my camera. Today, off day, I do all the day what I activities I show in my blog. Just like that.